Fluxelife is a virtual platform created to foster wellness using education and support.
We are a group of health and fitness professionals with experience using lifestyle modifications to make the changes that improve health and wellness.
While understanding that life is full of ups and downs, we are here to help create the practices to navigate through its fluctuations with intention.
We have a variety of offerings to meet your needs using online platforms to expand your knowledge of fitness, yoga, and overall wellness for freedom within the body and mind.
Our passion is to create a community to support anyone interested in improving their health.
Love, connection, wellness.